no gold is not enough.
Hello loves, welcome back to the Aislingrose channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look. I don't even know what it's called. I don't even know what I'm calling this video. That's something for me to figure out. But it is finally October. It is time for all the creepy, scary, cool, amazing, fantastic makeup looks to be coming out on YouTube. So I'm very, very excited for it. For the month of October, I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup look every single week, included along with a scary story. I've already been looking up some and they are really creepy, so I really hope that you all will enjoy it. I thought I'd show you guys my new friend. This is Marcus. Now you guys might be thinking that I forgot his name, so I said That is wrong because I asked you guys on Instagram what I should name him, and someone messaged me saying with 3 dots and said Marcus. So his name is Marcus. He's gonna be with us in every single video, but we're gonna call him Marcus for short. So give him a big ol' welcome down in the comments because he's gonna be with me the whole time. So without further ado, let's get right on to the video. So looking at the photo, I think I'm gonna first start off with the eyes. His eyes are actually, I would say, probably the most simplest part on this because it's just a thick eyeliner with red over top of it. I can't really see exactly what the eyelids would look if they were closed, so I'm just gonna go off what I think they'd look like and we'll just see how this goes. So I think I'm gonna start off with the eyes. I think I'm just gonna take some eyeliner and make a thick overall winged eye look, and then I think I'm gonna go on with eyeshadow after that and smoke it up. Alright, now that I've got eyeliner on the top and bottom of my lashes, I'm going to take a flat definer brush and some black eyeshadow. I'm going to smoke out all around the top and bottom of that eyeliner so we can get an overall really smoky and dramatic effect. Now to tie all the black together on the eyes, I'm going to be taking a black eye pencil. I'm going to put that in my waterline, and I'm going to also tightline my eyes. Alright, now with the eyeliners done on the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face paint, and I think I'm going to start first with the teeth just so I get an outline and I know where they are, and I'm going to start outlining with the black and add in even more colors on top of that. Taking my Graftopian paint, I'm going to be taking a small pointed brush and I'm just going to outline and put where I want the teeth to go. I kind of look like an evil Joker cat, which is maybe what this is supposed to be, like the Cheshire cat. That's what I'm thinking that this is, so I guess we're gonna go with that type of theme. Although, I think the Cheshire cat was evil anyway. That's my own personal opinion. Leave your opinions down below. Was the Cheshire cat always evil, or was he just misunderstood? Alright, so now I'm gonna take the black paint and I'm gonna outline all of the teeth and bring it up above the nose area. Now that we look like I fell halfway in a black hole or something, we're gonna fill in the eyebrows because the eyebrows are gone, like they're lost. They've gotten lost in the Bermuda Triangle and I can't find them. So let's get them back. We're gonna fill in our eyebrows with some black face paint and they're gonna be a bit more dramatic than what I normally go for. So be ready, ladies and gents, because they're gonna be on fleek. You know what I learned that I really like about this look already is that if I do a double chin, you don't even know. It just looks normal. I am pulling the fattest double chin you have ever thought of, seen, envisioned. I've got it right here and you can't see it. Alright, ladies and gents, this is where it's gonna start getting crazy. We're gonna start putting in red. Red is going to be put up here and down here, right where the black is, and we're going to be putting little streaks up and down. And we're also going to take that red up the nose and across the eyes, kind of like a cut crease in a sense. Now going back to the small brush, I'm going to be taking this and a black paint and I'm going to make streaks up my face. I don't know how else to explain it besides they look straight like streaks. Now I'm going to go with another small brush and the red paint color and I'm just going to create a few streaks going up and down here as well. Not as much as the black, but just a few streaks to really give it some more detail. Now all we really have to do is make the teeth look more realistic, so we're going to take some gray paint and some pink paint and we're going to be putting shadowing on the teeth and making gums on top of the teeth. And now we need to make the teeth look more realistic, so I'm going to be taking some gray paint and put some shadowing on the teeth themselves. So I'm mainly taking the shadow on top of the teeth and then pulling them on one side to really show that they're getting shadow from the other teeth that are in front of them. Now we're going to be taking some pink and red paint and I'm going to be creating gums above the top teeth and the bottom teeth. Now taking the white paint, I'm going to be creating little highlights on top of the gums. And last but not least, we need to add some fur on us because this is actually supposed to be like half wolf type of look. Or evil Cheshire Cat. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, honestly, but we gotta put some fur all around and down here to really accentuate where the teeth are and where the facial features are placed. I'm also going to take some of that black and layer over the gray with some black fur. No, I got more black in my hair! And last but not least, we need some huge lashes. So without further ado, and there we go. Now to put on my favorite jacket and do the outro. And that is the end of the video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Give me ideas of what other makeup looks you'd like to see me do for October or any other day. And I will definitely be checking them out. I'll be liking and commenting back to you guys. So make sure to leave me a comment so that we can talk. And I love you all. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. That would really help me and help grow this channel. I love you little weirdos. Thank you so much for joining my weird little family. And I'll see you all next time. Bye! Also, if you guys have not listened to Zayn Hijazi's, I don't know if I said that last name correctly, his newest song, Boom, I'm sorry, but we can't be friends, because I didn't think I would like it, but it's honestly the best piece of art I've ever seen on YouTube. So you should definitely go check it out.
You got me feeling like an animal, babe. Can't control myself. We're dancing in the moonlight. You make my heart go. Me and you, I'm taking you out for a dinner for two. I love you, baby. I mean.